ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Santa Clara. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, which will be your only indication that we are safely parked at the gate. Be careful when opening the overhead compartments because the objects may have moved during the flight and could possibly fall out. Before leaving the aircraft, make sure that you have all your belongings with you. Check your seatbelt packet, the seat and floor around you. Once you leave the aircraft, you are not allowed to come back in. On behalf of these Miami-based American Airlines crew, thanks to take